Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today I'm doing my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of July. It's July, and yeah, this month for some reason I have 2 boxes. I'm not sure why. I did not order 2 boxes. I was not charged for 2 boxes. At first I thought it was my Boxycharm and my Boxycharm Premium, but the premium box is a lot bigger than this because I know one of the palettes we're getting is the Norvina eyeshadow palette. Spoiler alert, but it's on their website. And that is bigger than this box. So not really sure what happened there, but we're gonna look at it and find out what's in there. Boxycharm is $25 a month plus tax now. So it comes out to like 27 something. I just recently realized that when I was looking at my bank statement the other day, and I was like, when did that happen? But yeah, so you get 5 full-size products. Sometimes they're deluxe size, but they're usually always full size. Yeah, so let's go ahead and open this little guy up here. Ouch. And they are both addressed to me too. I'm obviously not going to show you my address, but they're both addressed to me, to my current address. So inside looks like this. I don't see any like giant products, so that's sad. But here is the little guy, the little card that tells us the products. It is the Fantasy SEA box. So first thing I see on top here is this. This is the Mud Masky Vitamin Infused Eye Serum. Moisture Boost, Vitamin Boost, Feeding, Nourishing, Firming. Okay, it's cruelty free. Yeah, that's cool. Like, I'm not super excited about an eye thing, but that's okay. $63 for that little guy there that we're not super excited about. Next in here is the Grande Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter. Why do I want my highlight to plump? It's in the shade French Pearl. What does this do? A plumping liquid highlighter infused with a rapid skin lifting serum, then uplift to firm and tighten fine lines. This pearlescent formula provides the plumping and moisturizing power to give your skin a radiant, luminescent glow. So $25 for this guy. So basically you buy this, you get everything else for free. My nose is running like a lot and it's driving me nuts and I'm very sorry. But yeah, I honestly probably shouldn't even open this because I'm probably not going to use it much. Ooh, it smells so good. It smells like tutti frutti. I like that. Yeah, it's pretty. I just don't really wear like liquid highlights. Sometimes I wear them as like a primer, like a radiant primer. That is really pretty though. Maybe I'll try it. Also, there's a seal on here, and it was definitely broken, so that's interesting. Okay, next thing in the box here is this little guy right here. Brows on Point Waterproof Micro Brow Pencil. $1 brows in the shade Taupe. What? When precision matters, this Brow on Point micro brow pencil will get you the look you want, price size, color you want, can create hair-like strokes. $16. I am not a taupe person. My hair is very dark, Boxycharm. But let's open it and look at it just for funsies. Because, you know, why not? Why not? Why not? Copyright strikes. Nobody cares about mine. They're not gonna copyright me because they don't watch my videos. But that's okay. I can't get this out of here, so we're just rambling at this point. There you go. Oh, actually, that's pretty dark. In what world is that taupe? What? $1 brows. This is not taupe. Let me see if they just put the wrong. No, it literally says taupe on the pencil itself. So I thought maybe they just put it in the wrong box. No, that says taupe. That is not taupe. Next, we've got this lovely guy here. This is the Lifestyle Co. Los Angeles Detox Hair Serum. Nutrient Plant Scalp Treatment. Vegan and cruelty free. But what do you do for me? Condition your scalp and reduce dandruff. Okay. Support, strengthen hair follicles. Need that. Soothe flaky and itching of the scalp. I just had a baby about 3 months ago. And nobody told me that my hair was gonna fall out so bad. Like, when you're pregnant, your hair is like super full and super pretty, and now my hair literally just like falls out, and it's driving me nuts. So if you're pregnant, be prepared for that. But here is what it looks like. It's a glass bottle. Let me smell you. Oh God. That smells so bad. That smells like rubber cement, but not as bad as rubber cement, not as intense, but it smells like rubber cement. Oh, that's horrible. When do I put this in my hair? $79. Okay. Am I supposed to just like put this in my hair and leave my house because no? Or am I supposed to part the hair into sections, apply 1 to 2 drops in each partition, and massage into the scalp? Do not rinse out. The treatment should be applied after washing and before styling. Oh, I don't want my hair to smell like that though. Okay, I don't know about that one. My hair is still wet right now though because I did just shower, so maybe I'll try it. We'll see. Last thing in here is actually the product I chose, which leads me to believe that this is the box I was supposed to get. This is the Alamar Cosmetics Brighten and Bronze Complexion Trio. It's worth 25 bucks. So, oh, I like that. Okay, so I'm the kind of person that when you have like those products where you flip it and it's got like the shade names, but you don't know if they're like which side they are. I never know which side they are. But this one has a picture on the back that matches the color, which I greatly appreciate because then I can say what color is what without looking stupid. Oh, they're also on the inside though, so like, what's the point? But here it is. Super cute. We've got the shade Rise and Grind, Pale Wear, I like that, and Cafe con Leche. Yeah, Cafe con Leche, which Alamar Cosmetics is Cuban owned, I want to say. I might be really wrong on that, but I'm pretty sure it's Cuban owned. But they have a lot of like Spanish names on their products. Okay, let's swatch. This white one here is kind of like an under eye powder, if you will. And then we have Pale Wear. Pretty. And then we have Cafe con Leche, which is that one there. Ooh, pretty. Definitely gonna try those out. I was very excited about this. Alamar Cosmetics has some bomb products, so I like that. Okay, now let's do a quick recap of this box and then I'm gonna look in the other one. So, bronzer palette, obviously excited for, because I chose it. Eye serum, don't care. Liquid highlight, if I use it, we'll see. I'll try it. I'm gonna try it. The eyebrow pencil I'm excited to try, but like, it's not taupe. It's not taupe. I don't care what you say. And the hair serum, I'm also on the fence about because it smells real bad. But I do want to try it because I want my hair to be strong and not fall out. Okay, let's go ahead and open up this box here and just see what we're working with here. But here is the inside, and it does say Fantasy again. I see. I think I literally just got the same box. Yeah, I did. Are the shades even the same? French Pearl, so we have the liquid highlight French Pearl, the taupe brow pencil, eye serum, hair serum, and the trio of powders in the light shade. What I think it's called Fair to Light. So I literally just got 2 of the exact same boxes, which that kind of sucks, but if I fall in love with any of these products, I guess I have backups. But yeah, I was kind of hoping that I was like somehow got super lucky and was gonna get duplicates, or not get duplicates, get like 2 different boxes, but that didn't happen. But that's okay. Sometimes you don't win. But yeah, don't forget to like this video before you go, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.